Yeah, the big one that I look at is social media, right? Social media is such an opportunity. And if you look at it globally, there's like 250 different social media programs that you can use. In North America, we're really tied to Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, some of the popular ones with the younger generation. But Facebook is still probably the number one real estate enabled social media site. So when I look at what traditional realtors are doing with social media, typically they're posting a listing. Hey, I got this listing, I'm posting it. But if you can get really creative, find relevant content to your real estate, and even drive local market stuff for your real estate platform, so targeted, geographically targeted marketing. If you can get into that, I mean, Facebook integrates with Instagram. And most of the times now, most of the good technologies are working with the social media companies to pull the information that you're getting from social media into your database or your CRM, that for allowing you to do the proper marketing that you want to do. It's really all about collecting the names and providing the content that's going to drive interest. The other thing I never see on a real estate social media site, or most of them, is testimonials, right? Why not go to your customers and say, hey, Dave Carter was an exceptional real estate agent and he did this, and it's going to promote my listing. And that's where you can be super effective. Articles that are relevant to your area. Am I going to post something about mountains in Florida? No, but you'll see that on a day-to-day basis. You just need to be very dedicated. There's really three types of realtors. There's the really high-end realtor that does really well. They have a team of people working on their social media, working on their marketing, and they're going to continue to do really well. They've got it down pat. Then you've got the low-end realtor, call it the bottom 15%. They don't spend a lot of money on marketing. They're really hoping that they're going to live off their sphere of influence, which is their cousins and uncles and friends, or hockey team guys, or golf buddies.
Yeah.
Right. So, and they might be weekend warriors that are only doing it part-time, and maybe they have another job. And then you've got this massive group in the middle that don't make a lot of money but want to, and they're the ones that really need the help and the guidance, and have to learn how to change the way they've been doing business for the last 20 years, because it is, you can't get away with a bus sign or a bus bench sign anymore, and even flyers to some extent are kind of going by the wayside, because the recycling box is on your way home from the mailbox and they just pop them in there. So you have to adapt and change. Virtual tours are another technology that are becoming very relevant, especially in the last couple of years, where people don't want to go to an open house, right? They don't want to have to go and tour a house with 30 other people in there. They want to see it virtually, and they want that experience to be almost as good as you get from actually attending the open house. You're seeing more and more people, moving outside of some major centers. So New York, people are moving from New York to Austin, Texas, or Phoenix, or Colorado, somewhere where the lifestyle is less hectic, and they don't have the time to fly out here and actually view a home. They'll do it online, right? They'll take a look. They'll start at the Zillows or the Realtor.coms, and then they'll approach the agent, and hopefully they'll have a virtual tour of that property. And before you know it, they're in escrow and they've bought the property. Right. It's absolutely crazy. And that has actually driven a lot of the market and the ability to drive the price up, because people are just buying sight unseen.